myself Madhubala. I am working as assistant professor in Vedanta College of Engineering for Women, Tiruchirappalli. Now, today we are going to see about machine learning, the basics of machine learning. Before entering into machine learning, we should know about artificial intelligence. I think everyone should hear about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the technique, any technique Artificial intelligence is the technique which uses algorithm or models to enable the computer to think like the human beings, or it mimics the human intelligence. That is known as artificial intelligence. For example, everyone knows about robot. Robot or self-driving car are a big example of artificial intelligence. In self-driving car, it will automatically take a decision by analyzing it automatically takes the decision by analyzing the previous experience. This is the basic about artificial intelligence. Now we are going to machine learning. Machine learning is the subset or subfield of AI. Machine learning is the subset or subfield of AI which enables the computer by using the trained data sets to take the decisions. It uses the data as predefined or trained data sets as the input. Trained data sets as the input to make the decisions. The machine learning uses the models or machine learning algorithms to make the output or decisions. In short, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence which uses the trained data sets as the input to make the output or decision by using the models or ML algorithm, that means machine learning algorithm. Now we are going to see about types of machine learning. There are mainly 4 types of machine learning. One is supervised machine learning. First type is supervised learning. Second one is unsupervised learning. Third one is semi-supervised machine learning. Fourth one is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement machine learning. We will see one by one. First type is supervised machine learning. In supervised machine learning, the inputs are labeled or trained data sets. In supervised machine learning, it gets the inputs only by labeled or trained data sets. For an example, if you are giving the list of animals as the input into the computer, list of animals, example, elephant, cat, dog, camel, etc. If you are posting the pictures of elephant in supervised machine learning, if you are posting the pictures of elephant, cat, dog, or camel, or any other input, we should label as it is elephant, it is cat, it is dog. With the picture, under the picture, we should label name of the picture. That is the labeled data. The system will get the input with the labeled data and it will classify the pictures of elephant separately, the pictures of cat separately, the pictures of dog separately, and pictures of the camel separately. If you are inputting the different types of cat or different variety of dog means, it will separate the camel in one side, elephant in one box, dog in one box, cat in one box. This is supervised machine learning. Now we are going to unsupervised machine learning. The name itself it shows it is straight opposite to the supervised machine learning. Here we are giving the input without any label. We are giving the input without any label or name. Here the inputs are, we are giving the input with a list of animals without specifying it is elephant, it is cat, it is rabbit, anything. But the system will classify the elephant separately, cat separately, dog separately. How it will classify means based on the size of the animal or based on the color of the animal, it will based on the shape of the animal, it will classify the list of animals separately based on size, color and shape. This is unsupervised machine learning. The next type is semi-supervised machine learning. In semi-supervised machine learning, the machine will get the input as both supervised input and unsupervised input. With the label plus without label. Both will get us an input. Based on the getting input, the system will classify the output. Okay? Now the fourth type is reinforcement machine learning. Reinforcement machine learning means the three main terms are trial, error and delay. In reinforcement machine learning, it gets the input as the previous experience only. If you are trying with one data, that means it is trial. If you are trying, the machine will try with one data, and if it gets some error, means it consider it as an experience, and it will produce the result. Produce the result as the output. If the same situation occurs one more time, means the system will display the output as the constant output. This is the reinforcement machine learning and the practical examination for reinforcement machine learning. Practical example for machine learning is in online shopping. If you are searching about one product, for an example, if you are searching about shampoo, the system will display the related shampoo brand, which is another brand also, which is labeled as shampoo means it displays the other brand shampoo. If it displays other brand shampoo, means it is comes under the supervised learning. First thing. because it is labeled as shampoo. Or otherwise, if it shows the shampoo plus conditioner means it is unsupervised machine learning. Okay, because the system thinks if the buyer buys the shampoo, there may be a chance to get by the conditioner also. These are all happening due to machine learning algorithm. Thank you.